Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Merrimack Street Volvo in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have the 2022 Volvo XC60 B5 Inscription. That's right, they've renamed their trim levels to B5, B6, and T8. I have a feeling it has something to do with the mild hybrid system as standard. Alright, so this is the B5 all-wheel drive Inscription. 58185, 247 horsepower, 258 pound-feet of torque, 48 volt system with regen, and a 13 horsepower motor. So like I said, it's a mild hybrid. 8-speed automatic. And they don't say what color it is. Well, they do. It's just hidden here somewhere, and I'm not gonna go through and find it. All right. So that's that. I'll put that off to the side. Actually, you know what? Put it in the door. Not bad at all. Let's go for a drive. So, for 2022, like I said, they renamed the trim levels. I was kind of surprised when I saw them, like B5. It's always been T. I don't know if that's going to carry throughout all the different models, like your V60, XC90, and such. But even so, if it's just, mild hybrid, name change, stuff like that, totally fine with changing things up a bit. Heck, I remember when T5 was how you knew if the S60 was the 5-cylinder or not. Bad at all. Like I said, the hybrid system, it's a 13 horsepower motor. Not breathtaking power like you find in your T8. But you know what? It's not bad at all. I'm not sitting here begging for more power. I don't think many of the consumers who buy these are going to ask for more power. If you want it, get the T8. This is, I was gonna say entry level, but it's not. It's the top of the line B5. I will say these things are a good amount of fun to drive. Obviously not a sports car, but also not a terrible car to have for these fun turns. I do like, you can see the air quality. That is awesome. Especially in a time like now where everybody's very focused on being healthy. That is awesome. You can kind of see what the air quality is like in the cabin. It really isn't bad. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video.